I started ESL teaching with zero experience. Before ESL teaching, I tried becoming a virtual assistant, but finding clients was really hard. As a mom, I needed a work from home job because I had no one to watch my daughter. Then I discovered ESL teaching. I started from scratch with no knowledge and applied to many companies. I faced a lot of rejections, yes, because I didn't fully understand the job yet. Instead of giving up, I studied and learned more about ESL. I watched videos that about ESL and many more. Eventually, I got my first student on Preply, a 5-year-old girl from Saudi Arabia. She only booked twice a week, but she stayed with me long term. And that gave me a confidence to keep going. If you're getting rejection right now, don't let it stop you. Sometimes rejection isn't the end, it's just a sign that you need to learn, improve, and keep going. Okay, so if I can do it, I know you can. If you're dreaming becoming an ESL teacher, don't give up. Comment ESL and I'll share tips to help you get started. Bye!